Good morning. We're here from Tim Makeup Company showing you the Tim tip of the day. I can't wait to see what Deborah shows us, and what she's going to use today is the highlighter, the Brow Diva highlighter. And it is a very creamy substance, and she's going to use the highlighter brush to apply it with. The brush makes it so easy and so easy to blend. So here she goes. She's going to show us. I'm so excited because, we always want that little extra something special when we're going out to dinner, holiday party. So tilt my chin up, apply it right to the inner corner of the eye and the outer 2/3 of the brow. I love the highlight on the brow. Look at what that does. Compare side to side. Just brightens. And then right on the temple. This is new to me, the temple is. Love it. And then softening it with her finger. Blending it. It's actually removing any excess. And this is creamy. It'll stay on. And it's so easy, guys. It's so easy because you already have the contour on. We've already contoured the cheekbones and the face and the jawline. And now we're highlighting the eye. And I'm gonna do a little bit of contour at the end on the eye as well to show you. It's beautiful for evening, dusk time. But if you look today, even during the day, it looks natural. Very natural. And wow, my eyes look brighter. Thanks. And let me show you a little bit of the contour. So we have the contour with the brush. I'm going to squeeze the brush together, get a little bit of color, blend the color in, tilt my chin up, and go right on my bone. With a little bit of contour. Deborah's blending it in. Look at the difference in the two. She's telling me to relax my brows. I always lift them. I also can do this. Can you do that? It's one of my talents. And then on the other bone. And she's relaxing. Relax, 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 relax your brows. And there you have it. A little bit more on this side. Again, relax your eyebrows, tilt your chin up. It's really hard to relax my eyebrows. I'm doing it though. Okay, there you go. That's the highlight and the contour around the eye area. Hope you guys love this. Let us know. Leave a comment in the comment section and like our video. We really appreciate knowing that you're liking our videos. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great week. Enjoy those holiday parties and with all your family and friends. And we love you. Have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.